Hello, and what a great day to sew something wonderful. I'm Kia with Kia B.
This is Tech Guy from the Hive.
And we're so excited to be back with you today. We have another unboxing for you. This week is just filled with, we are just dropping a lot of videos this week.
Yep.
And we want to get a lot of stuff out before the holidays so that you guys have the chance to buy some really fun things for some fun crafters in your life.
Correct.
So speaking of which, we are unboxing the Quilty Box for this month, and I'm really, really excited about it. The Quilty Box is $48 a month, and you are always going to get 2 yards of fabric, a spool of thread, 1 or 2 notions or tools, and then you get a little mini magazine that has patterns in it. There are usually 2 to 3 patterns because they do have different boxes that you can select from, like a paper piecing box and a miniature Quilty Box. And so we have the Quilty Box Classic. It is sent to us every month, and it is $48 a month. They do have multi-month subscriptions that you can choose, and 5% of those multi-month subscriptions go to Quilts for Kids. So I think that's a really great thing.
It's fabulous.
Yes. So like I said, let's hop right into this box. Right when we open it, we've got just the tissue paper that it comes wrapped in. Yes. Okay, and right on top, this is the Bundles of Inspiration. This is the mini magazine that they are talking about. And this gives you all the information about all the boxes that the Quilty Box offers. And so, very first page, it tells you what's in the Quilty Box Classic and gives you a price reference for the things that are inside, which I typically will just hand off to Tech Guy as we go along. And then right next to it is this for November 2019 is featuring Heather Ross. So there's a really great Q&A. There's a great article just about her and about her designing methods, and really, really fun. So this is the quilt, which will show a close-up of the quilt and the fabric that is for this month's Quilty Classic Box.
Awesome.
So let's go ahead and get right into it.
Yes.
First, right on top, let's just pull out the fabric because that is so pretty. So this is called Far, Far Away 2 by Heather Ross, and it is a Wyndham Fabrics, and it's very, very bright. That is really, really pretty. I won't thumb through them because at this point we're just talking and you're seeing all the fabrics laid out. So, excuse me, this is very, very pretty. I love the corals and the bright pinks and just kind of the storybook feel of this fabric. It's very pretty.
I'm a big fan of it.
Yes. Okay, so next in our box, I love these. So these are the Tim Holtz scissors, and they are called the mini snips. They're 5 inches, and I love the sides of them.
You have a bigger one, don't you?
We have a bigger pair that we got in a different subscription box, and I just love them. They're so durable. They're resistant to rust. I don't know if you knew that.
I did not know that.
So they are definitely going to last a lot longer, and they're made of titanium.
Ooh.
They're titanium-coated blades. And so this looks like, I think there might be a serrated edge on this. Micro serrated.
Yep, it's on the other side.
I'm sorry?
Yep.
Oh, micro serrated, and they are titanium-coated blades.
Awesome.
So these are fantastic. I'm so glad I got these. I'm going to throw them in my stitchy bag so that I have, they're so sharp and wonderful, and I love them. I think we have a 7-inch pair that we got in a different box. All right, the next thing that we have is Clover Gold Eye embroidery needles number 3 through 9.
Sweet.
And so, gosh, you can never, as a quilter, you can never have too many needles, especially if you hand quilt or hand bind. So that's a nice little...
It's a little set.
Yeah, so we've got 2 notions. So that's great.
Nice.
We've already got an extra one. And then, of course, lastly, we have an Aurifil thread that is...
Let's give it the weight.
It's 50 weight, but I was trying to decide what the color is. It's this really pretty pink color that goes along with the fabric very, very nicely. Let's see.
Take a gander.
Aurifil thread, it does not give us the color number.
It's a beautiful color.
It is a beautiful color. Oh, 2530. I'm sorry. It is color 2530. If I would read, well, that would help. So, we've got the Far, Far Away fabric bundle. That is valued at $30.
Yep.
And so kind of keep a running tally in your head as we go through this. We've paid $48 a month if you're paying month to month. So already the fabric is worth $30. The Tim Holtz mini scissors, the little snips, are worth $11.99. So $42 right there just in those. You've got the Golden Eye needles. Those are worth $2. The Arthil thread is $4.99. So we are up to, let's see, we're at 42, 44. So we're at $49. So we've already done that. And then, and we say this every month, I want you guys to understand that this has a $10 value because of the patterns that are inside of it. So you get two or three quilt patterns inside of it. So this is the particular one to use with this fabric. But then there's also a paper piecing pattern. That's hard to say.
It's a lot of words.
A paper piecing pattern inside of it, and this is called Fairy Tale Doll Quilt by Paper Pieces. And so this would be a second pattern that you are getting. And so, I mean, already 2 patterns for $10 is
not bad.
Pretty phenomenal. And then
it also gives you some sneak peeks of what if you want to do the mini or the other box they have.
So that Paper Pieces, that doll quilt is for the paper piecing box. And then this one, which is called Magic Chain, is for the Quilty Box Mini. So you're getting all 3 patterns no matter what size box you get, which is great. So that's why this is a $10 value.
Correct.
So
I think it's a fairly priced item.
Yes. Yeah. So I think what, $59-ish, and we paid $48. So that's pretty fantastic.
So I mean, that's the value, right? So you pay and you get more than what you paid. It's a good deal. So it's one of those things.
Yeah. I love this fabric. I think this is so cute. Yeah.
You'll do something with it.
Oh, for sure. For sure I will. So let us know in the comments down below what was your favorite part of this box. And just for kind of our sake, for our knowledge, are you guys liking the new way that we are doing unboxings, where it's a closer shot where you can see everything laid out really nicely? We just wanted to make sure that we've heard that in the last several months, that you wish you could see things a little more closely. And so we wanted to do that for you guys. So we take still shots or videos of things up close so that you can really get a good look at them.
Absolutely. We want to make sure that you enjoy our videos and see the close-up shots.
Yeah. All right. Well, thank you so much for joining us on the Hive today. Y'all have a great week. You will see lots of us this week.